This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2019 Elegance at Hershey. We are checking out a 53 Elegante Special Cabriolet by Moto. This was a custom-built one-off based on the 53 Cadillac. Those are bronze fittings. Everything is custom-made.
It looks great with the top down.
It is a two-piece hardtop. Now, check that out. Look at the selectors on top of the steering wheel. And notice how the clear plastic on through. That's all 24 karat gold on the inside. An elegant place to live. I love the subdued tail fins. This is just beautiful. Just beautiful. Note the exhaust coming out the bumpers. Yeah, there we go. All right, Dick, you were telling me that you made these bumpers?
Yes, ma'am, sure did.
That is amazing. Now, those are how many pieces together?
Well, it was a main piece of tubing, 3-inch tubing.
Uh-huh.
And then it was put into a machine and we rolled it to get that shape, the radius. And then I had to weld the end pieces on there.
Right.
And then a flat piece of material on top, flat piece of material on the bottom, and then had to make those loops. Those are individual loops.
Go ahead, grab the phone if you need to.
We should.
Yes, go ahead.
Continue on the bumpers.
Yes, if you'd be so kind. You were saying that you had rolled and you put on the piece on the flat. We were talking about the boxes
the
there.
exhaust. That's in the, what I call an exhaust box.
Yes.
And this is a piece of tubing, and a piece of tubing, piece of flat material that's been radius like that. Flat material on the bottom. These are all individual pieces, and it's all been put together properly in the right order, sequence.
Correct.
And it's all here the arc.
Because
so
they're different
This is
sizes.
actual one complete piece. So once the bumper was done, then I had to cut the bumper to fit that in there. This has all been TIG welded or Hilly arc. And same with all this stuff here. But I had no bumper to go by other than a photograph.
Wow.
And, the original, it's a labor of love.
Oh, that's for sure.
And
now
then I took it to Tennessee. And I wouldn't ship it. And I hung around there for 3 weeks, made arrangements.
Yes.
And I stayed there till it was done and put them in the back of the truck and brought them home.
Good for you.
Front and rear bumpers, the same.
Oh my gosh, that is remarkable. Now this is patterned off the original bumper, correct?
Exactly, yes.
Yeah. Now this car sat for how many years?
Well, it was gone out of our family for 37 years. And the bad thing that hit the car was Hurricane Andrew in 1991. It was under outside carport, and the carport collapsed on top of it.
And being an all aluminum body, that really must have hurt.
Yeah, it dented the top and did some other damage to it, and it had a few owners along the way. Somebody had put bucket seats in the car, and they kind of changed it as they went. But I knew how it was. I had all the original photographs, newspaper articles, and I knew it was the same car. So when I went to see the lady about it and told her who I was, she knew who I was. So she said, "You're the guy to have the car."
Now, did your dad, when he sketched this out, do you have the sketches that your dad sent to Italy?
I do not.
Oh my gosh.
No, I wish I did.
That's for sure. Because this is just such of a wild. Now, of course, you've got the retractable hardtop. First one on a GM platform, which is pretty neat. You were saying, I see no handles on the trunk, presume inside release?
Yeah.
Very good. And under the hood, did you do anything to the Caddy motor?
No, it's all original 331.
Very good. Tricarb or dual?
Single carburetor.
Single carburetor.
331 cubic inch single carburetor.
Yeah. Very nice. How long did your dad drive it?
I'll be your host for today's festivities.
The car was finished in 55.
Judging is beginning
we
at
came to
this very
Florida in
moment. The judges
57.
are on the show
So he
field,
drove
so that
for a
we
couple of years
ask
before he came to Florida.
please,
And then he had some health issues, and
you may be
the
judged
health got him
multiple times.
about
We do
1966,
not have classes here at
1968
the
passed
Elegance.
away.
You are
Yeah.
actually competing
Yeah.
for
This is
names
beautiful.
and awards.
Now the hub hubcaps are all handmade, you were saying?
Before judging teams.
That is
So we ask
amazing.
that if you would
What other
please
really
do so
remarkable
with
feature?
And
your
that's
car.
since that
Award ceremony
spinner
will
on
begin
the inside,
promptly
it
at
actually holds the
2:30
hubcap
with
on.
the
That's like
introduction
a
of
knob.
the
Oh, really?
Board of Directors of the Elegance,
So
playing of our national
nothing holds the
anthem,
hubcap on but that
and our
centerpiece.
award
You
parade.
spin it off.
Thank you
and
so
then
much
the
for
hubcap
coming
goes
out. We
on.
have a
But it's all
fantastic
handmade.
show
All
field of
molded.
cars,
The
and
door
probably the
handles.
best weather we've ever had.
That
for the
is
Elegance, so
remarkable.
enjoy the day.
I
Thank
love
you.
one detail which I absolutely fell in love with. I love the steering wheel with the translucent. The vent windows are so
Yeah, this is
elegant. That is just beautiful.
And that's all 14 karat gold plated.
Oh my gosh.
It's all made out of bronze and then with gold plated. There's a St. Christopher medal in the center of the steering wheel
Uh-huh.
that illuminates at night. It's bedded down deep inside the steering wheel.
Oh my
The
gosh.
steering wheel is all handmade. That's all original plastic that was on that car.
Wow.
Obviously, I had to take it all apart, re-chrome it, reassemble it.
Mm-hmm.
But that's all the original plastic.
Now,
Hours and hours of polishing.
what the top is the shifter?
The top is the horn. The little
Okay.
button on top is the horn
Yes.
button.
Okay.
They took it away from the centerpiece, and then the other one's just normal gear shift.
Very good. Very good. I love the selectors up on top. That's very
It has an
imaginative.
airspeed gauge in it.
Ah, okay.
It has those are all Ferrari gauges.
Uh-huh. Jeez. Now, who built it in Italy?
Motto.
Motto.
M-O-T-T-O.
Okay, that's
Moto.
why it's by Motto.
Yeah. Rocco Amato. If you look him up, it was the most expensive car that he ever built. And he built Ferraris, and he built Seatas.
Oh
Built a
my
lot of
gosh.
cars.
He had the chops then, because those
He
were
was
very
a
fun.
Michelangelo, they said of alloy bodies.
Ah,
His son is still alive. I'd like to get a hold of his son and show him what I've done to it to put it back, you know. But,
That's great.
He doesn't speak English, only Italian.
who designed the mechanism for the top? I notice you've got chain drive over
It has
there.
a chain drive on that side, and it has a chain drive also on this side. This piece is operated by the chain over there, and the top piece is operated by a chain over here. There's a chain right there too, if you look.
Down in there.
Hydraulic cylinder.
Oh,
This is
okay.
a chain drive.
Mhm.
So it has a large diameter, like a bicycle gear, if you will.
Right.
40 tooth goes into about a 10 tooth. And
Mm-hmm.
the arm rotates it.
Brings it
Or
around.
chain drive up to here.
Gosh, that is remarkable. Who designed the mechanics? Did your dad do that?
Well, I don't know because see, my dad died when I was 13, so I'm pretty sure he designed it, but he had a lot of help from Albert von Borch, the gentleman that designed the Datsun Z
Yes.
and the 507 BMW.
Yes.
Same guy that helped my dad. And he came to the house in New York and drove the car.
Oh, that's great. Oh my gosh, you come from some good automotive royalty here. Gee, Dick, this is fantastic. Fantastic. Oh, I love this. Remarkable. Just remarkable. The motif being carried on right over the license. Note how smooth those lenses are. No skirts. And you pull right in again, just to show you the other side. And you have everything from all of your amp gauge, all that clock and such, tachometer, speedometer, the usual. Look how elegantly the vent windows are produced. Beautifully integrated. Just fantastic. Fantastic. Again, this is the 53 Elegante Special Cabriolet by Moto, based on the 53 Cadillac. For more cool events like this, make sure you check northeastwheelsevents.com, southeastwheelsevents.com, ukwheelsevents.com, and while you're there, post and share your events. I'll see you at the shows. This is beautiful. Dick, thank you so very
Okay.
much. I appreciate that.
Thank you very much.
I'm going to pull back, give the scene over here. That is perfect.